Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the AC clutch fuse and AC clutch relay are on this 2006 Mercury Mountaineer. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So go in there, pop your hood. We're going to go to the under the hood fuse compartment right over here. Lift this little tab here, this cover comes off. Now your AC clutch fuse is this 10 amp fuse right here, and your AC clutch relay is this relay right here. So you got the 10 amp fuse right here for the AC clutch and the relay right here. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button for me. Leave a comment down below for the algorithm, and thank you for watching.